Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we'll see that we how we can create a professional thumbnail, hmm, and that's too free. So let's see. So I will show you the kind of thumbnail I create from that software. So see this. This is looking. I think this is looking good, and this we are doing through PowerPoint. Okay, I'll show you how to do this. So suppose I will create a thumbnail for this video. Okay, for I'm just showing you plus creating the thumbnail for this video. Okay, so I'll open PPT. So in PPT, open blank presentation. Okay, you can type the text which you want to type here. How to create thumbnail free. Okay, then now you insert some images. Suppose you can take image from Google and you can download and save somewhere in your system. Okay. So I've saved here. So let's insert this. Okay, and insert some more. Insert some more. Now this PPT will automatically suggest you some design ideas. Okay, based on that you can create thumbnail. You can edit on this creativity. Okay, like that. There are hundreds of design which PPT offers you. Like this you can create. If you click on show more, then some more will come. So this one, this one. So whichever you like, you can add that and you can edit as per your requirement. Okay, so whichever you like, you can edit that thing. Suppose you want to increase the font of this, then you can increase. Okay, and next, so I am also preparing this thumbnail. So this one looks good. Let's delete one image and see what PowerPoint will suggest now. Thumbnail should be in YouTube. No? YouTube. See, some more design will come for you. Okay. I'll go with this. Okay. So now you have decided that you will go with this. So what you have to do? You will go to snip. You know, just take snip of this. That's it. Now you save this. Anywhere in your system. Okay. And you can use in your YouTube thumbnail. So this is YouTube Maker free of cost. So this was a short video on how to create your own thumbnail. Friend, request you to please like my video and subscribe my channel and share as much you can. Thank you.